Load your family into the 2007 Cadillac CTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.8-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: front bucket seats, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, power windows, remote keyless entry, an overhead console, and power seats. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair. Cadillac ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.